Hi, I'm Frank Kane. I spent nearly a decade at Amazon and IMDb building scalable machine learning systems used by millions. And I've helped over 1 million students learn AI and data science right here on Udemy.
And I'm Zoltan Sitot. I've been teaching and helping Fortune 500 companies build data-intensive systems for over 20 years.
This crash course gives you real-world skills, fast. You'll build an AI agent that can interact with the world, stream answers, remember context, and even search the web. It's not just theory. You'll leave with working code you can build on.
You will implement memory, RAG, MCP, guardrails, and multi-agent workflows, and deploy it with secure authentication in the cloud. It's everything you need to go from idea to production-ready agent.
We start with agentic AI theory, then dive into the OpenAI Agents SDK, tool calling, prompt engineering, and context design.
From there, we tackle RAG and memory integration, parallel agent execution and multi-agent, safety guardrails, and the real-world deployment strategies hands-on.
This course is for developers, engineers, and AI professionals with some Python experience who want to build useful agents, not just prototypes. If you learn best by doing and want to move fast, you'll feel right at home here.
If you're ready to build agents that actually work, enroll now or check out the free preview videos. We'll see you inside.